a tiny kitten named Milo was all alone in the big city. Milo was hungry, tired, and searching for something, anything to eat. Inside the bakery was warmth and food, but Milo could only watch from outside. But sometimes, kindness appears when you least expect it. For the first time that day, Milo felt a little hope. But the storm was growing stronger. Emma knew she couldn't leave Milo alone in the storm. For Milo, this warm home felt like a dream. For the first time in days, Milo had a full meal.
There you go, Milo.
And for the first time in a long time, Milo felt safe. A new day had begun, and so had a new life. Milo was no longer a lonely kitten. With love and care, Milo began to grow strong. The world suddenly felt brighter. Milo remembered what it felt like to be alone.
Come on, little one, let's go to Emma.
And Milo chose kindness.
Emma, can you help?
Love has a way of growing. Milo was no longer just rescued. He had become a hero. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness change everything. And Milo's story reminds us that love can turn the coldest night into the warmest home.